Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little unboxing for you guys today. I just got my Black and Bloom and Gingham order. I only got 2 things from this release, which is a big change for me. Normally I get a lot more, but I'm actually starting to pare down my bags a little bit. I know, shocker. So I only got what I really thought I would use. Very tempting to get more Black and Bloom because it was gorgeous, and I have gone back and forth on whether I should get something else, but I will show you what I did get. So I ordered from Laura's Little Boutique. Unfortunately, my local Aussie retailer ran out of stock very quickly because she could only get a little bit. They don't send us very much over here in Australia. Packaging for Laura's Boutique is really nice. It's in this pink tissue paper. So I got 2 quicks because one of them was for a friend of mine in Australia who she couldn't be online at the time of release. So I got one for her and I got one for me. So there's the first one there. And there's the back. So I'm not sure which one we'll pick. I think it's very hard to get not great print placement on this print. I think I kind of like this one better. Actually, sit there. Let me decide which one I want. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. You know, buyer's choice, right? These make really, really nice mom bags. This is all little pouches. So you can get a nice view there of it. That's really pretty. So that's one side, that's the other side. And I'm really curious on how the gingham looks as the lining. Oh, okay. So it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. So it's kind of nice. I like the pop of color. Alright, I also got a messenger strap because I have a Lily Jade Danielle coming in blush, which is actually arriving today. I'm so excited. So I thought this would be a nice option to use as a messenger strap with that bag. So let me just, so yeah, so there you go. I love the black hardware on this print. It's just so nice. So we'll see how that matches. If it doesn't match, I'm sure I'll find a use for this, or somebody else might like it too. So, all right, and the only other thing I got was a bee packed in the gingham, and here it is here. I really am enjoying my daughter's bee packed. I pack that up every day for her school. So I wanted to get one that I could use for me, even if it's just a mom bag or about a diaper bag even. Oh, okay. So the gray, it's actually quite gray. It's very hard to see. So it's the backpack here. I guess I'll turn it around. I think Busy with 5 Mum, she mentioned this, that it's not as dark as she thought it was. No, it's not. It's very much a slate gray, so it's black, and then the other squares are a slate gray, and they are like wibbly wobbly around the edges. They're not clean line. I already knew that. I kind of figured that out before I ordered this, looking at all the first looks and stuff. But okay, so let's look inside. Okay, so here's the mummy pocket here. Oh, look at that. So pretty. I actually really like that. That is really, really nice. And then I love the hardware and the zippers on the Onyx collection bags are just so nice. They're so smooth. I've always loved it. Oh, okay. Really, really pretty. Tag out of the way. I really like that. I think that's really nice. Yeah, I can't wait to pack this up. So I will do a packing video for this because I think it's just so cute. I really like it. Yeah, I think that'll be a nice backpack. I've kind of gone away from Toki a little bit. I know people are going to be like, oh, sacrilege, you have to have Toki. And I do still have some Toki. I have some Toki Sporties and I have one Toki BFF still. But I use the accessories probably more. Like I love the set pieces and things inside of the bag. I think it's just a fun inside. But I don't know, you go through stages the way sometimes you kind of want more like less out there bags. And where I live, there are like no jujube people around where I live. The closest people I think I know are in Sydney, and even then it's not that many. Most of the people in Australia that are into jujube and Toki and stuff are in Queensland. I'm always posting and getting things from Queensland. All the friends I've made are in Queensland, so, which is north for anybody in America who doesn't know where Queensland is. I'm in New South Wales, Queensland is north. So I kind of feel a little silly sometimes out and about with my turkey bags because people give me funny looks. I know that shouldn't matter, and my kids love it, and they take them to school and stuff, but for me, I kind of like having a nice, just non-turkey looking little backpack. So there you go, so there's my little unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see about doing, if my Lily J comes today before it gets dark, I'm not sure when it's going to come, I will do another unboxing of that because I'm so excited to see what this blush looks like. It's a pink, so okay. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.